Building a strong online brand presence can feel overwhelming for small businesses, network marketers, and entrepreneurs. You know consistency is key, but creating unique, cohesive content for every platform takes valuable time you just don't have. Your brand needs to be instantly recognizable, professional, and memorable across all your digital touchpoints. This is crucial for building trust and attracting your ideal customers in a crowded online space. Imagine having a library of stunning, fully editable templates designed specifically for your brand. Templates you can quickly customize in bulk, ensuring every post, story, reels, or ad looks perfectly on brand without starting from scratch each time. These aren't generic designs. They are exclusive, high-quality templates crafted to save you hours while elevating your visual identity. Consistency becomes effortless, allowing you to focus on running your business. Here's the game changer. You will not find any of these exclusive templates on Canva's free platform. Not even the paid Canva Pro subscription gives you access to this specific collection designed for bulk editing and deep customization. Investing in these templates is investing in your brand's future. It's about creating a powerful, consistent online presence that stands out, builds authority, and drives growth. Stop struggling with design and start building your empire with ease. Ready to elevate your business with effortless, high-impact marketing? Our fully editable exclusive templates empower you to stand out, save time, and captivate your audience without the hassle. Stop struggling with designs that don't convert. Download your custom templates today and take control of your brand's success. Use the details on this video to view the full selection for businesses, niche markets, and how easy it is to brand your business professionally. Start building your unique personal brand today.